FM Tony, if you want to compare.
Yeah, okay, thanks Tony. I'm actually doing a little video actually to pop on my my little YouTube video list, and I've kept meaning to actually do one just for the people who ask me, you know, the difference between Dstar signal and voice quality and compared to a normal analog FM. And I did notice there is some slight background white noise now, which was completely unnoticeable, inaudible on in Dstar mode. So I'm actually videoing it now. So if you want to pop back to Dstar mode while I'm still videoing, it'll be interesting to see the difference. So can we go back to DV mode?
On DV now. Well, yeah, I mean, obviously what you've got to, I suppose what you've got to know, replicate. And I mean, I can't do it. Tony could actually probably do it for you, Tony. I take it, you're still listening, Tony. Tony, could you switch to your, could you switch to your Discord and turn the power down to give a similar sort of demonstration?
What, run 5 watts on the disco?
No, run as low a power as you possibly could on the disco, and hopefully you're going to have dropped in signal strength below the S9 into Tony's receiver, and you can obviously hopefully see then the noise coming up on FM, and then that'll give it a proper indication then of the benefits of DV.
Oh, right, okay, yeah. Yeah, just give me a minute and I'll swap aerials.
And hopefully this will be a better demonstration. You back with the story? G062?
Yeah, Roger, I am back. Okay. Right, Tony, you've dropped 2 S points on the disco. It's not as high as the X300. It's probably about, I don't know, probably about 4 or 5 foot lower. And it's the little diamond, one of the diamond discounts. So you should see probably a noticeable difference as well in signal strength, guy.
No, it's exactly the same signal strength to me on this S meter. I'll put it on YouTube later, so you know, you have a little search around on IC-9100 Dstar and FM comparisons. It should show up. But no, it's still exactly S9. Can you lower your power anymore?
I do believe, since we started, I am on low power, or minimum. Yes, I'm on the 0 power, so that's, I can't go any lower, unfortunately.
Okay, well, let's try it on FM mode then. Let's just compare it to that then. So I'll switch to FM, M0ATV.
M0ATV G40AA.
Right, okay, Tony, on FM mode. So you're exactly the same signal, S9. But there's just some background hiss now, so just give us another over.
Yeah, okay, well, it's, I've noticed on, when I compare signals generally, well, you're showing lower, you're definitely showing 2 S points lower. But having said that, I'd love to put this X300 on a rotator and rotate it, because I know that there's some quite deep nulls on this X300. So it's not surprising, but you're definitely showing 2 S points lower than the Kalinia.
Yeah, okay, Tony. I'll just pause the video for us. Just recording it on the camera again on the HDR at green, so got a display of that. So the wide signal on the right hand side is Brian G3SMU, I'll assume, on 575. On the signal that is showing now on 550 is myself, M0ATV in DV mode. Right, okay.
4321. I'm just hearing you on this frequency. Sorry about the feedback. I've got you in the receiver running. G0CTO 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem at all. I've just started recording the video again as well. So I think you're about S1 to 2, but no packet loss, fully readable. So if you just give me a longer over on the next one, and then we'll switch to FM mode, and that'll be an ideal test then. Finally got round to finding somebody who could do it. So fully readable, Ian, no problem at all, from M0ATV.
Yeah, okay, yeah, Tony. M0ATV, which is a roll CTO. I'm just using a ICOM ID51, 5-watt Stockport. The antennas are a full quarter wave width. It's not adhoc with any description. It's a full quarter wave width. So there you are. I think that should be probably long enough. And you want me to switch to FM now, I take it?
Yes, please, Ian, if you could QSY to FM, M0ATV.
Right, okay, so there you go. That's on FM now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Golf to 0, Charlie, Tango, Oscar, Testing. Golf to 0, Canada, Texas, Ontario. Testing on FM. Whether you're receiving me or not. So it's 30 CPO.
I am receiving you, Ian, but it's very noisy. Are you receiving me on FM, M0ATV?
Yeah, there's a lot of background noise on DV. 100% copy, no problem.
Okay, QSY back to DV again.
TV G0 CQ. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go for 0, Charlie, Tango, Oscar, Testing.
Yeah, okay, Ian. Yeah, it's definitely a lot better in DV mode. Even though you get that slight robotic sound and noise, it's a lot easier on the ears. Right, I'm just going to stop the video now.